subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix error write protected. I have tried to format this pen drive. Pen drive is not formatting, error message show is. The disk is write protected. You can show the in pen drive is not perform any action like delete, rename, new folder, move to. You can show the my second pen drive is perform any action like delete, rename, new folder, move to. Go to start menu, open command prompt as administrator. Then type disk part. List disk. Command type to display all disk list. I have fixed disk 1. Type this command. Select disk 1. Now disk 1 is selected. Type this command, attribute disk. Now show you disk 1 all attribute. Change current read-only state. Default state is no. You can show my second pen drive state. Disk 2 is normal. This state is no. Type select disk 1. Then type second command, attribute disk clear read only. You can show the messages disk attributes cleared successfully. But I have checked the attribute second time. State is not changed because write protected error is not fixed. Try to second method. Download this software. Software download link in description. And download second software version 2. I have already downloaded this software. Extract zip file. Open this folder and software run as administrator. Default select your pen drive and also change drive. Confirm your pen drive, go to this PC, show the drive ladder. Recovery means factory reset drive like new pen drive status. Wait for done this process. I have tried to format this pen drive. Finally, pen drive is formatted successfully. Okay, let's check the action like new folder, delete, rename. Now pen drive is worked normally. Finally, write protected error is fixed.
Thanks for watching. You can show my previous and random video. Follow me on social media like a Twitter, Facebook and Insta. I have upload videos on ethical hacking, CCNA, Android, error fixing, Windows, networking, green screen etc.